running. It can run fast. It eats meat. I can see a panda. It lives in the forest, bamboo forest, and is eating. It can climb the bamboo tree. Legs is a bat. It eats food and it lives in the cave. It often wakes up at day and it sleeps at night.
Look, it's a rabbit. It lives under the ground. It can jump. It's eating grass. Like, it's a bear. It lives in the forest. It can climb a tree. It's eating honey. I like the rabbit most because it's very